Hello, welcome to the discussion on volume of a right cylinder. We have been already taking up the topics on the surface area of all the figures, and now in the previous session we had taken about the cubes and cuboids volume. Herein we are into the cylinder part. Let me draw one cylinder just before discussing the formula to find out the volume of a cylinder, and then with a hollow cylinder. This is a solid cylinder with two circular bases and this being height. Now the formula informs about volume of a cylinder is given by pi r square h. Area of the base, and this is the height, that's h. Now if it is a hollow cylinder, let me draw one with another color so that we can make out. This is suppose an hollow cylinder one. Sorry, we have to draw the height. This suppose the hollow cylinder, then the volume of the material used will be it is volume of hollow cylinder is given by this external volume minus this internal volume. So I take the external radius to be capital R, so the formula becomes pi r square h minus pi r square h. That's the radius of the inner cylinder, and thereby it can also be expressed as pi taken common, r square minus r square as well the h taken common. Let's take up few questions now applying this formula in this session. The first one I'll write in the next screen here. It being a very simple one, it says the circumference of the base of a cylinder is 132 centimeter, and its height, let it be in a short form, 25 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. The circumference of the base of a cylinder will be given by 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is given as 132 centimeters. Let us substitute and first find the radius. So it becomes 2 into 22 by 7 into r, which is given, is supposed to be calculated. So r is calculated as 132 into 7 by 2 into 22. This will give 11 2, 11 1, 11 2, so this is 6, this is 3, that's giving me 21 centimeter. We have just learned about the volume of the cylinder, which is given by pi r square h, so it becomes 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, and the height is given as 25. So it is 7 into 3, and then this all will be calculated and multiplied. That's giving me some 34650 centimeter cube. That was a very simple application. Let's take up another question. A cylindrical roller made of iron is 1 meter wide. Its inner diameter is 54 centimeter and thickness of the iron sheet rolled into the road roller is 9 centimeter. We have to find the weight of the roller if 1 cubic centimeter of iron weighs 8 grams. The width of the road roller is given to be 1 meter, so we can write the width of the road roller will be 100 centimeter, because I can see the rest of the values are given in centimeters. So I write the width of the road roller is 1 meter, which can be written as 100 centimeters. The length is given to be, the width of the roller means, if suppose I'll just try to make you imagine a roller on the roads. This is how it would look like. Width means what? This is the width of it, that means it is the height of the roller. I can simply write here, this is actually the edge of the roller. Now its inner diameter is 54 centimeters, so the radius of it will be 54 by 2, that is 27 centimeter. The thickness of the iron sheet or the iron rolled into the roller is 9 centimeter. The thickness of this part is 9 centimeter. This is the inner radius. We will need to find the outer radius as well, and that is given by 27 being the inner one plus the 9 centimeter, which is the thickness, and that's giving me 36 centimeter. We have to first find the weight of the, we have to first find how much volume of the iron required. We have just learnt about the formula. It will be pi capital R square minus small r square h. This will give us the volume of the iron used. Then we can convert it into we can find the weight of the roller, as the conversion is given already in the question. Let us substitute the values we have just found out. So outer is 36 square, minus is given as 27 square, and the height is given as 100 centimeters. This can be, just to make it easy, either you can make it 36 minus 27 and 36 plus 27 as well, because you can apply or expand as the identity a minus b, a plus b. Otherwise it will take a little time. I know it is 36 is 1296, and 27 is given by 729. Let me do the calculation a bit. It's 1296 minus 729 is giving us 567. 567 is, I think, divisible because it is 81. So 81 into 22 again is 1. I think, did we do it rightly? Because I'm getting it around like 22 into 81 is 178200 then. This is cubic centimeter. We have to find the weight of the iron, which is 1 cubic centimeter is 8 gram. So this multiplied to 8 grams, that's 14256. 14256. This is in gram. We divide it and it will be 1 4. I made a mistake there. It's 178200 into 8 is giving me more of 2 zeros will be there. If I divide it, it will give me 1425.6 kgs. This is the weight of the iron that is used for the roller. Let's move on with more question. Again, need to write down one. The volume of a cylinder is given by 448 pi cubic centimeter, and the height is 7 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area and total surface area. Now, what do we take the radius as? We write we are taking r as the radius, as it is not given. The height is given though. It says the volume, that means pi r square h is given by 448 pi. This pi gets cancelled. I keep radius as the r and substitute height as 7. So r square is 448 by 7, that's giving 64, thereby making r as root over of 64, which is 8 centimeter. We have to find the total surface area and the lateral surface area. The lateral surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi r h. So if we substitute, it becomes 2 into 22 by 7 into r will calculate it as 8 and h will be 7. So it's now 16 into 22, that's giving 352 square centimeter. And the total surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi r plus h. So if we substitute, it becomes 2 into 22 by 7 into r we calculated as 8 and then it is 8 plus height was 7, so it is 2 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 15. If we calculate, it becomes 2 it's coming to be 754.29 centimeter square. Hope you followed this and the application of the volume of right circular cylinder. Thank you.